an original rap that I wrote for you. M Tizzle and L Pizzle in the house. Back up. Oh yeah. You ready for this shit? Check it.
You
ready?
like it.
Yeah. Yeah. We're just gonna get ready. Happy birthday. Happy B-Day. Go Callie. Now that you're 21, you won't be sober for long. You'll be calling me saying, I'm gone. You'll be running around naked, waving your dong. Now bend over, girl, let me see your thong. Look at those guns, baby, you so strong. I wanna bang your ass like a gong. Cause you so right, I don't wanna be wrong. Let me unzip my pants and wank my wong. Yeah, Callie Joe, 21, hell yeah. You know I saying, the world is my bitch. Now roll over, girl, let me do you in a ditch. Your really nice rap is gonna make you rich. They make you scream out in a really high pitch. Oh yeah. Okay. On second thought, so does your ass. Oh, let's face it, you got class. Let's go back and smoke some grass. Man, those munchies gave you gas. What's that, girl? Give me dome, not fat. Yeah, give me dome. Mad dome. Mad dome. Now that you got your license, I'll be riding shotgun. Stop talking ish, I don't want none. Baby girl, you shine brighter than the sun. Hop on my back and let's go for a run. Yeah, right. You heard me, son. Ain't my rap really fun? I love you a million and a ton. So now that you heard me, happy 21. Woo. Yeah.